of this and I hide all of this. I hold it, go suck your mother transmission. Me I worst thing you ever buck up in. Me I worst man you ever buck your mother. We don't keep batty secret because we don't fuck batty.
Yeah, my people. So right now, me I tell you, say people are from what day I have that video you have to drop, I did capture the live, from what day I have it and I sit down on it, Here why I never release that video from what day, Because I start my YouTube channel and me have a couple subscribers where pressure me and press me for produce one video which gives reasons and details about how I believe that Vibes Cartel destroyed Idonia's career. And they also felt the same way too. Zine? So we had an agreement, and because this is a long documentary me I produce now, it's a long documentary that is very lengthy, 1 hour and 40 odd minutes, discussing the history with Idonia in terms of business going against busy signal, how busy make it harder for Donia get the rightful exposure we need, because Idonia been attacking busy and busy just to find the big song them like step out we're bossing big international right away, and then we're not going down on them off on them off on them off round. You get me? And then some people like, love the gun, I'm like, love the gun. So meanwhile, busy I find the big song them I do when I was attacking busy, and the people them must say, who name I do when you're attacking our big busy? So I don't want to see that documentary there. It's about for upload. So because me that work on that documentary there for some days now, make me never get for release the live here where I know the whole world want to see. Because copper sauce or copper ass or where you want name. Zine, him get exposed wicked. See me? Especially for a man where love bad up people and a empty clip and shalom and a threaten man and a run down man and go on like the wickedest thing. And you're not gonna notice how fairly him treat, how nice him treat this trans girl who him said try to trick him, right? Him claim to say she try to trick him, and him claim to say him a fish or him a gay, right? But yet still him a give her so much respect, right? The trans girl. Him a show her so much respect even after being tricked. Him a cuss during the live, but him even tell the people him say, yo, we can't this her, cause me not this you, and you see the respect where him a give somebody who a try to trick him into him partaking into something he claimed that he burns out. But yet still, when it comes to Shalom and other TikTokers, he has no respect for them whatsoever. Right? So something is wrong with him. And what I want to tell the people them is that, yo, if you're not gay, I'm not on this big platform and popular, don't be afraid for I do nothing. Or don't be afraid to own up to it when shit hits the fence. Because come on, we're living in a modern time now where, you see me? Whole heap of people are do it. The white man them a do it, the rich man them a do it, the girl them a do it, the lesbian business. You get me? I say so nothing for no shame about. And you still have friends, you still have people who want to socialize with you. So come on people, just man up and stop being a punk. Which this is what I'm saying to copper sauce or ass or where you want to name it. You see me? Cause you see my empty clip on Shalom and I go on wicked and them thing that was disgusting. His behavior, you understand? So I'm just glad for see him a get put down now. And him a try to justify it. But me I go point out all the faults where point to the fact say him guilty of charge. Right? And I love how the trans girl expose him. Because for a man we behave so. The hypocrisy. You know what I mean? Yeah, we don't have no issues with gay people or what kind of people them. You know what I mean? We love all race, all ethnic group, all colors, all creed, all type of people. You know what I mean? As long as he is not somebody where violent. Yo, trust me, you see violent people, I try to stay clear of violent people because I'm violent too. Zine, I'm not want to end up a prison, I'm not ready for going to the grave. But me ready for going to the grave if I buck up on a violent person where want violent. So right now I'm gonna resort to silence and let this play.
We don't fuck batty. We don't fuck batty. We do not fuck batty. We do not fuck batty. We don't like man. We don't like man. Go suck your mother dirty transmission. Yeah. Go suck your mother all dirty transmission. Suck out your mother. I boy Dev more add to and he not take it add I boy Dev more add that. The pussy not take it add. Let me see. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Big old dirty Batman transmission. And that don't want to come from me that condo. And that don't want to come from me that condo. Go see straight man and go try mix up straight man. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Then send you. Go suck your mother. Blood clot. Big dirty thing. Let me see it tongue. Let me see it tongue. And. Let me see it tongue. Let me see it tongue. You couldn't trick me. Me no like likes. Me no like likes. Remember I tell you say me rich. Go suck your mother. Me no want your money. Remember that me tell you.
Bro,
Rich
man, look.
Bro. What you mean? No, man, that me tell
Bro,
you.
man, I look like.
Me tell you that. Me tell you that. Then my nails them worth more than what you eat every day. What the drunk for you, man? Them worth more than what you eat. You're drunk for move friends, man. You know shit, move, man. You know shit, shame, you know, man. Do them every week. You know move and go shame. You know I got dead in a hell. You know I got dead in a hell. You know I got dead in a hell. You know I got rotten and stink and dead in a hell. Cause that you know want to come from me that we gonna do. Alright, Tally. Me tell you how a drunker do, you know. Me tell you how a drunker do and get to me, you know. The drunker come from me live. At King Travis said take him off. Bad fam, we not take him off King Travis. Cause you know why we not take him off King Travis? Remember, alright, King Travis, they couldn't believe, you know. Alright, Tally, let me show you something, Tally. Tally, me I show you something. Look at now. Alright. Alright, Tally, read with me now, my yo. Tally, go on, read with me now. Alright, Tally. You see after I send me a video with King and watch him? Yeah? Yeah, alright. So me tell it, what? Listen, I don't have no problem with who you be. Just know me no fuck body and will never do. You hear? Alright. Tally, it goes so boom, so I say, I do all of my surgery. Look, no Tally, man. It say I do all of my surgery. Look, right there, so. It say I do all of my surgery. Yeah. So it say, go and ask Devil and King. See there? Look, Tally. Yep, over there. Yeah, it's go ask. I chew the phone here. The phone here. Alright, hold on. Me I flip on the camera, Tally. Because me then I push you. Demon girl. People, wanna read with we now. What that say there, sir? Go and ask who? Tally, what that say? Go and ask. Go ask Devil and King. You see top boy say I do all of my surgery? Yeah. Alright, come down, read with me, my bad friend. Listen, that's good for you, me no fuck party. Okay. Come on, my bad friend. Read with me now, man. It's a blurry dog. Yo, sassy blurry. What's a blurry, so dog? Hold on there, Tally. You don't know what a blurry, so dog. Alright. Read it. How are we there? Yeah, read it with me now. Listen, well, I know. Your life, I don't care. God just me a straight man here. Play a match with all a transmission them just don't.
I'm saying fuck but here.
Yes. Yeah. Alright, read with me now. So listen respectfully. Your life. People will stand up to. Read with me now, Tally. Look again down your son now when me I say. Read with me now, Tally. No, if that me no know until death. Alright. My own step up. Alright, read with me again, Natalie, man. Read with me, Natalie. Okay, man, for some bumbo clown down. Me. I think I blow you up so every minute, my youth. Me bad people here. Jam. Fam. Yeah, fam more, yeah. From a find out it's a transmission, a Umbra fam, me start call it, you know. From a find out a transmission, you know. Alright, look where. Harder than I could. Tell him why you read everything first, then you add I code.
Yeah, my people, yo, the man say Umbra and fam him call. Him say Umbra and fam him call it from him find out say she was a man. So you have all these strength for Shalom and other TikTokers. Seeing? When now do something as strange as this. According to him, he's saying that, him not fuck no man and him not fuck no batty and sorry my language people. However, however, some people may not like the expletive. But I find it strange how him have all this respect call someone fam, which is a short term for family. Somebody where you're supposed to see closer than your friend, right? And this person him claim to say him have so much vengeance for at the same time. It's highly paradoxical. You know what I mean? So a be a red flag in him action, in words, far from his action is saying that them not correlate.
Yeah, all right. So it has a pussy it after, so it want tell me say a pussy it after. Stop act like you're a woman. Oh, yeah, start. You say you find out no. Yeah. Stop act like say, Ray. Yeah, that. You all of the dog them over my life. I say, I can't man that. Read Natalie, man. Read the thing them Natalie make people hear, my youth. What you find out. Alright, what you find out.
So shall try make him
Don't
get
want
views.
that type of pussy. Okay, I'm fine. Read with me, Natalie, man. A transmission. Let's go get views. Guy to tell me boy it's gonna make me get views, Tally. Read with me now. Tally, what make you think me not delete nothing out of my blood clot phone, Tally? That's straight man. Here, fam. Don't try body out me thing. Respectfully hear that. Cut we off people head and drink. No, listen man, read over about that. Me I tell it say we cut off people head and drink them blood clot blood. We cut off people head and drink them blood clot blood. So as me say, at first me think you was a woman, but we find out you is a transmission. So just you. Read Natalie, man. Tally, read Natalie. You Tally, read Natalie. Okay, you are get too bright. Pussy, I tell you, say me down, but man, we kill people and give them shallow grave simple. Alright. Read Natalia, he send me one view that's so with Dev. A Dev sitting at it send me the so. Yeah. Alright. So if you did a try stunt and you see the man find out why you act like you can convince me you are not a man. Yeah, alright. Read with me now, man, my father, man. Jesus. Read with me now, Tally, man. That don't have nothing to do with me, like me say. Think you was a woman. Me a straight man here, fam. Me no fuck man. No day, no time. Just know that. Never will in a lifetime. So you want just go around and try style you them jano. You need to do better and find the man them where fuck man here. But you are show me video. Who cares? As we say, me think you was a woman at first and now me find out you is a transmission. Why you still a prolong? You think you can convince me to fuck man? No day, no time. You could want a 50 million video, don't give a fuck. Nobody man straight. You need to stop it because you think you see Germany, you still we dead. Same way. Just know that. Alright. Top up on the app and do that. All of you know straight man from lean man here. Alright. Read feed message them now. Kiss me teeth. Okay. Come kill, come analyze. You in a bag of chatting, say I am a man. I don't have the time. As me say, me never did you so no do it be good figure. In this year, just make you know, say you almost cheat me cause you really like you really look like a woman. Yeah, you really look like a woman, but me find out to just respect the fact I'm straight, man. Okay. Read with me now, my friend, man. We not batty man, no day in a life, you know, my friend. No time. Wait. I am though what you need to get and Jamaican. So you see Tally then come over here for set way up, you know, cause them a say this all I will forget, you know. Yeah. Yeah. So blowy. So we go so boom so Tally and go supermarket. And when me go supermarket and forward back, me see it a call me. So me I say, what the so what you know, me I call it back for make my woman hear it, you know. And it now answer, cause me I call it back for make my woman hear it. See that when me I call it back, Tally? Yeah. Alright. Boom so. Look, Natalie, read no my youth. Alright. What them you send me now for what reason? Them are them, me and me. Yes, cause what you dev on it in a money transaction, how much in sitting. Read with me, Tally. You have to read. Tally, you have to read every single blood clot one you saw. Yeah. Why you keep on and follow me up? Me tell you, say, at first, me think you was a woman, but me find out, say, you what you are. Keep on and show me and this and that. All right, now get into it now. Cause dream, me go put you on a backers right now. No call me bye. Yeah, all right. So me I tell it, say, pussy and I call me, I call you. I see me see you call me, look why, cause me I call it for make my woman hear it, you know, you see me? Yeah, cause me could have. All right, read no tally man, it's soon done, you know. All right. Jade Wagon, baby.
Yeah, here where I'm reading I text a while ago. Him, cause there's a back and forth in the text with Copper Sauce I try reach the trans girl. Cause I hear him say I try call the trans girl, right? Because him get a missed call from her after him find out say she was a man. And him say him get the missed call and they try to call her back for make him woman see what go on. See? Which that not really make much of sense. But I make it slide. Cause it sound fairly valid. But to we under them circumstances, you think of a concrete and that not concrete. But anyway, here where him go wrong will expose him. For sure say him dibble and double the walla walla, you know? Here where you know. Because him go so boom and he must say him try call it back, right? And you hear where him say him what do you read the text say, hey baby. Because it's like him got copper sauce call it baby and them thing they address the trans girl as baby. You see me? And then real bad man, to him I go on like my real bad man, you know, entertain them people there. Um, you know what I mean? As to him I go on, real bad people, and real bad people not go on, so him I go on wicked and not expose clip with shot and you know what I mean? Yeah, real bad people now show off them way they and make a fool of themselves with them weapons on internet, whereas when it illegal. You see what I say? So him entertaining this trans girl I show say. Him dibble and dabble and wibble and wobble. You see me? Yeah.
Make which family? Make me tell you. Make me tell you. Anything you want to have you free. Me don't love man or fuck man here. And me tell you that already. So here a drunk about kill it dead, me can't trick it like it think me fuck party. Alright. You can't trick my friend Sassy. Read no man, Tally. Read every paragraph in this bumbo cloth. Alright. Nothing can reach me. What reach them? Them, me no fuck man. You want now money here or want nothing from a man. Read no my friend man. Trick your bumbo cloth. Stop here. No dear. In me life. Me can't fuck man. Read no my friend man. You know why stars make me a read, you know man. Okay. Keep talking. Keep talking. It a tell me keep talking like it a threaten me, I know, you know. You send the video to Mountain 10 cars you will get too far. Yes, so it a say it a go send video to Mountain cause me a get too far. Read no tally man. It kissing teeth. Alright, see me again. Pussy. Me always a go talk. Me no fuck man. Alright. Always a talk, you know. Cause me no fuck man. Read no tally man. Tally them a drunk you can't bring me down for media. You mad? Read. I know me here. pussy, you can't hear nothing about me. Me no time. Yeah. Tally, read. Jesus! No, sir! What me there? Okay. For you. No, we know. And look what me I got look what me I got do. I got show you say me no fuck man. Alright, look again.
Yeah, you know what? All of this just remind me of Ravers dancer you there. Where in a ding dong or they in a ding dong video. You know him crew. You see me? What the song what him name? I don't remember the youth name, but his a next trans girl did expose him named Kevin or Little Kev or something like so. That this remind me of. Because him done I'll send her naked picture. That's why she a smile. You see me? You see she show over him picture in a fair little box. Cause him send it reached far between them before him find out say she was a man. And people will see her one time on him live and say, yo, you know see that look like a man, you understand? So them expect him to pick up fast too.
Them send you, okay, watch this. Cause me ask her if they send her now. So me I tell her, I say, watch this. Me I tell him, say, watch this. Watch this and I'll tell him. Yeah. Feel me fuck man, body youth. So me I tell you, say, me myself, I go turn on my life. Read the part and I tell him my youth. And this paragraph here for read. Alright. Feel me fuck body youth. Me myself, I go turn on my life and tell me people them. Cause me sure me no fuck. Man, no day, no time. Stop follow me up. Me already tell you say me did you is a woman, but me find out you were or stop following me up. Alright, you done this or no, Tally? Tally, them you thinking Batman you can't try set me up. Go suck your mother transmission. I want all if you bust all 40 shot in your face. I want all if you lick all 10 shots through your face. Yeah. I want all if you lick all 10 shots through your face. Big and stink no bumbo clad. Suck your mother. I wrong bus stop this. Wrong bus stop. Wrong bus stop. Wrong bus stop. Go suck your mother. Demon. Oh, man, good evening. Demon girl.
More Energy Living Room 5.
Big stinking pussy hole them you think they can. Alright, Tally. Why you think say Tally? Me don't why you think me don't block it? And me don't delete no message. Why? Cause me know it a go wind down to yasso. Cause me tell you with them Batman you know, Tally. No, listen, baby girl. And unblock you. I chill. No, Tally, mute it, don't Batman here down on my own. The 6 profile me unblock it down. So, me send you my wood. Tally. Listen what me I say, Tally. Tally. Brother, y'all listen to me or y'all listen to this man of my own.
See that, you know that me tell you? Tally lift up him and in the ear say thank God him never send the trans girl in a picture him own. But Copper Sasa do it. You see it? Cause me I tell you no say him reach far. That's why me have to end the live right there. So cause me I say boy which part me did there of the live around some big wig people was there so never want them home to them conversation there on my phone. So me have to just end the live because me I say boy my sister Tally lift up him on and say, yo, thank God him never send the trans girl no picture him would. So so Copper Sauce I beg Tally some attention for explain himself. But Tally don't want to listen to him because Tally say he look like him into it, you know what I mean? Yeah, Tally not take a check with him Virginia. What is under my nose? I'm out.